तर आपण काल लास्टचा पॉइंट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ लिनियर सिस्टम पाहिलेला आहे. तर आज आपण पॉइंट घ्यायचे आपल्याला ऍक्सेलरेशन, व्हेलॉसिटी and displacement. To obtain acceleration, velocity and displacement by using differential equation of linear SHM. तो डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ लिनियर SHM कालच्या पेज मध्ये आपण पाहिलेला आहे. द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ लिनियर SHM is given by d square x divided by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. ओमेगा स्क्वेअर हे राइट साइडला घ्या, प्लस च मायनस होईल. d square x divided by dt square is equal to minus omega square x. इक्वेशन 1, इक्वेशन 2. तर आपण काय पाहिलेलं आहे, d square x divided by dt square is called as acceleration. What that as acceleration a is equal to d square x divided by dt square. Put the value of acceleration in equation 2, we get a is equal to minus omega square x. Equation number 3. This is the expression for acceleration of a particle performing linear SHM. Second, we have to calculate velocity. From equation 2, d square x divided by dt square is equal to minus omega square x. Write that as d by dt of dx by dt is equal to minus omega square x. dx by dt is called as velocity. कालच्या पेज मध्ये आपण पाहिलेलं आहे, velocity v is equal to dx by dt. Equation number 4. Put the value of velocity v is equal to dx by dt. In equation 4 we get d by dt of velocity v is equal to minus omega square x. dv by dt is equal to minus omega square x. Equation number 5. Equation number 5 मध्ये लेफ्ट हँड साइडला dx न मल्टिप्लाय करा आणि dx न डिवाइड करा. dv by dx multiply by dx by dt. Multiply by dx and divide by dx. To left hand side of equation 5 is equal to right hand side minus omega square x. But dx by dt is a velocity, dv by dx into v is equal to minus omega square x. Write that as v into dv by dx is equal to minus omega square x. हे dx हे राइट साइडला जाईल, ओमेगा स्क्वेअर मायनस ओमेगा स्क्वेअर x च्या मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये जाईल. v into dv is equal to minus omega square x into dx. Equation number 6. Taking integration of equation 6, integration of v dv is equal to minus omega square into integration of x dx. तर इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ v dv आणि इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ x dx कशा पद्धतीने काढायचं आहे. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ उदाहरणार्थ x dx इज इक्वल टू पॉवर 1 आहे, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x चा पॉवर 1 आहे, x चा पॉवर 1 मध्ये 1 मिक्स करा आणि 1 प्लस 1 ने डिवाइड करा. इंटिग्रेशन x dx is x square divided by 2. तर आपल्याला त्याचा यूज करून इंटिग्रेशन v dv च लिहिता येईल. v square divided by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square divided by 2 plus c. c is the constant of integration. When particle is at extreme position, displacement at extreme position is maximum and velocity is minimum, that is 0. Then displacement x is equal to plus or minus a and velocity is equal to 0. Equation number 7. Put the value of x is equal to plus or minus a and b is equal to 0 in equation 7 we get 0 square divided by 2 is equal to minus omega square. X is a square divided by 2 plus c, constant of integration. 0 square divided by 2 is 0 minus omega square a divided by 2 plus c minus omega square minus omega square a square divided by 2. Left side आ गया minus a plus with omega square a square divided by 2 is equal to constant of integration c. Write that as c is equal to omega square a square divided by 2. Put the value of constant of integration c in equation 7 we get v square divided by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square divided by 2 plus omega square स्टार्टिंगला लिहा आणि मायनस नंतर लिहितो ओमेगा स्क्वेअर ए स्क्वेअर डिवाइडेड बाय 2 मायनस ओमेगा स्क्वेअर एक्स स्क्वेअर डिवाइडेड बाय 2 v square divided by 2 is equal to LCM is 2 divided by 2 is 1 multiplied by numerator quantity is omega a square minus 2 divided by 2 is 1 multiplied by numerator quantity is omega square x square. 2 get cancelled. Remaining value is v square is equal to omega square a square minus omega square x square. Take down common omega square to right hand side. V square is equal to omega square into bracket a square minus x square. Where that as v is equal to omega into square root of a square minus x square. This is the expression for velocity of a particle performing linear SHM. Next, where to calculate displacement? Put v is equal to dx by dt. V is a velocity. dx by dt. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Equation number put the value of v is equal to dx by dt. In above equation we get dx by dt is equal to omega into square root of a square minus x square. ओमेगा आणि स्क्वेअर रूट a स्क्वेअर मायनस x स्क्वेअर मध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन फॅक्टर आहे. हा जो स्क्वेअर रूट आहे हा dx च्या भागाकारास जाईल आणि dt हा ओमेगाच्या मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये जाईल आणि इक्वेशन dx is equal to dx divided by square root of a square minus x square is equal to omega into dt. Taking integration on both sides we get dx divided by square root of a square minus x square is equal to omega into integration of dt. तर ह्याला फॉर्म्युलाचा यूज करून असं लिहिता येईल sin इनवर्स x बाय a is equal to integration of dx divided by square root of a square minus x square. हा फॉर्म्युला आहे sin इनवर्स x by a is equal to integration of dx divided by a square minus x square. Sin inverse above equation becomes sin inverse x by a, capital X by a is equal to omega into integration of dt is small t plus phi. Phi is the constant of integration. आता आपल्याला परत असं लिहिता येईल 1 upon sin into x bar a is equal to omega t plus phi. हा sin आणि हा a राइट साइडला जाईल म्हणजे x is equal to a sin of omega t plus phi. This is the general equation of displacement. There are two cases. One is when particle starts from mean position, then displacement is 0 and time is 0. Then displacement is equal to 0 and time is equal to small t is equal to 0. Put the value of x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0 in equation sin inverse of x bar a. Sorry, x की वैल्यू है आपके 0 is equal to omega multiplied by 0 plus phi. Sin inverse of 0 divided by a is 0 is equal to omega multiplied by 0 is 0 plus phi. तो आपल्याला phi ची व्हॅल्यू लिहिता येईल phi is equal to sin inverse of 0. Phi is equal to sin inverse of 0 is 0. Put the value of phi is equal to 0 in equation x is equal to a sin of omega t plus 0. X is equal to a sin of omega into t. This is the expression for displacement when particle starts from mean position. Next, when particle starts from case number 2, when particle starts from extreme position, at extreme position displacement is the maximum and time is 0. That is the displacement x is equal to plus or minus a and time t is equal to 0. Put this value x is equal to plus or minus a or t is equal to 0 in equation sin inverse of x by a is equal to omega t plus phi. Sin inverse of the value of x is a divided by a is equal to omega, the value of t is 0 plus phi. Sin inverse of 1 a divided by a is 1 is equal to omega multiplied by 0 is 0 plus phi. Sin inverse of 1 is equal to phi or phi is equal to sin inverse of 1. Phi is equal to the value of sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. plus pi by 2. Sin of omega t plus pi by 2 is equal to formula है sin omega t plus pi by 2 is cos of omega t. तर आपल्याला sin omega t plus pi by 2 च्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला cos omega t लिहिता येईल. x is equal to ये sin of ये cos of omega into t. This is the expression for displacement when particle is at extreme position. So these are the expression for starting ला आपण acceleration पाहिला. acceleration a is equal to minus omega square x. velocity चा इक्वेशन पाहिलेला आहे v is equal to plus or minus omega into square root of a square minus x square. आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट x चा आपण पाहिलेला आहे x a sin omega t plus phi. आणि त्याच्या दोन पर्टिक्युलर केसेस पाहिलेले आहेत. केस नंबर 1 आणि केस नंबर 2. केस नंबर 1 मध्ये आपण पाहिलेला आहे पार्टिकल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम इन पोझिशन आणि केस नंबर 2 मध्ये when particle starts from extreme position. तर त्यावेळेस आपण डिस्प्लेसमेंटचे इक्वेशन कॅल्क्युलेट केलेले आहे. तर आपण पुढचा पॉइंट उद्या घेऊ आपण.